Hello friends, today we are going to make bagan bharta, and this is very easy recipe and we are going to make it in microwave. So for this I am taking this brinjal, that is bagan, and just wash it and wipe it with a cotton cloth, and after that I am just oiling it all over the brinjal. So take a brush, oil in a brush and just oil it all over the brinjal. When you are making bagan bharta on stove or roasting brinjal on stove, it will block the pores of the stove. So making it in microwave is very much better option. After oiling, completely oiling, I'm just removing the brush and cutting some part of the brinjal like this with a knife, or you can fork them like this. And after this I'm telling you the secret recipe. What you have to do is just take a garlic clove and tuck it in holes like this, so it will give a better taste. And mix these cloves when you are making bharta, and this is very old typical way of making bagan bharta with the help of garlics like this. Now this part is done. Now we have to put it in a microwave. If you don't have a microwave, you can make it on a stove, but in this video I am going to tell you how you can make bagan bharta in a microwave. Now for this I am taking this microwave stand and putting this bagan on this, and just keeping it inside very gently. I'm keeping this brinjal on the higher rack because there is grill on the upper side and it will give the tandoori effect after roasting. So this is the correct way of roasting brinjal in microwave. After that, closing the door of the microwave and set it on grill plus microwave. So this is microwave, grill. Now microwave grill is set and timing is now. I'm just setting it for 6 minutes, 6:30 seconds, and just pressing the start button. Now you have to wait for 6 minutes and check this brinjal after that. So just closing the video, and after that I'm showing you the final result. You can see this. Now you can see that this is end, and I just place this brinjal on lower base, so you can see that the brinjal shrinks and it's done. Now I'm going to tell you how you can check that brinjal is totally cooked. So remove it outside and with the help of knife tuck it in the brinjal, and if goes directly, your brinjal is totally cooked, and you can say that it becomes very soft. So yeah, it's done. Now I'm going to show you how you can make bharta out of it. Now I am letting it to cool down, and you can see that the garlic is also very totally cooked and it transferred its flavor in the brinjal. So meanwhile it also cooked, so it saves our time, and I am letting it cool for 10 to 15 minutes, not totally cool. And after that I am going to peel this out. So I am just waiting for 10 minutes. After that I'll show you how to make a bharta. Now our bagan is totally cooled out. And you can see that it is easily peeling it. you can see that we can easily peel it off. So I'm going to peel it off and showing you. I just totally peel it off, and I also peeled the garlic. You can see it is totally cooked in the microwave. And after that I am mixing onion, tomato and chili. These all are chopped, finely chopped. Now in this after that, in this I am going to add half tablespoon of mustard oil, salt as per taste, and mashing it out. Now it's all done. And our bagan bharta is ready. You can have it with chapati, anything you would like. Now our bagan bharta is ready.